Hey everybody, welcome back to How to Design a Simple Garden. We're going to keep going through the buttons on the control panel, and in this video we're going to dive deeper into the brush stroke button and the eraser tool. So we've already gone through how to create a myriad of different shapes, freeform polygon lines, things like that, but there are times where maybe you say maybe you're building a pathway, or you want a shape that's not covered by any of those, and you say I just want to be able to draw like a little paintbrush on there. So we have that now. That is the brush tool. And I'll show you how that works a little bit. So when you select the brush tool, you'll see this little menu pop up there, and it has kind of like a short little panel here, so you can dictate how you want the fill of the brush stroke to look. So you can set a solid color. You could do blue, or you could select a pattern. I'm going to create little stepping stones through here, so I'm going to pick this natural stone pattern and make the scale, really little. Over here, you can see that you can select the size of the brush stroke within the canvas. And then this is just kind of how they're joined. If you want it to be relatively clean lines, or if you want it to be round, I'm making little stepping stones. So I do want this to be round. And then I'm going to click and drag on the canvas to create the shape. As I click and drag, it's going to be this solid color, because rendering the pattern as I'm dynamically drawing it is difficult for the engine, and I want to keep it fast, so that'll pop in after the fact. So here I'm just clicking and dragging, and you can see kind of the shape as I'm building it, let's say, and then I want to round it up a little bit here. Great, there's our first stepping stone. Now I'm going to do kind of like another one. Yeah, and I can just kind of keep going like that as much as I want for these stones. Maybe I'll even add a little bit there. Oh, come on. There we go. And then I'll add another one. And another one. So these are my stones. And then let's say I wanted to have just like a solid, or maybe I want sand around my little pool here. I can always kind of make this shape around the pool as I want, just to show that there's a little beach there. If I need to edit it, I can use this eraser tool, change the brush size here as well, and then go into the canvas and just kind of highlight the areas that I want to erase. And you can see there it is. We can verify that we have each of these. They show up under these brush strokes header, and we have 7 different ones. So you can kind of see, where they are on the canvas. We can see each of them as their own entity. We can group them if we need to. And then within layers, we can also, if we want to take all of these, come on, we can create a group. Oh, you know what? I think I missed one. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we can make this group. And as I click and move them, they all move together. And I can, rotate if I need to. I can flip them. They all, perform exactly how you would expect. So yeah, that's kind of a crash course on brush strokes and the eraser tool. It's very helpful for creating those shapes that you can't quite get using the polygon builder or anything else.